it to my bed. I know we ain't gon' make it to my bed, no. You know we ain't gon' make it to my.
Okay, upon first walking in, you see the entire, I'm gonna come this way, the entire beauty area. Ring lights, film area. It's my daughter, she's a little bit under the weather. Me and her are, if you can't hear it in my voice, but we do not feel good. So she's taking a little nappy nap. Over to my actual makeup collection slash shoe collection. Little baddie heels and wedges and whatnot. These are from Fashion Nova, by the way. And when you come up top, you've got, I got this from Ross, I believe. And it's just like a little compartment tote. And then in here is all my nail stuff, which you guys really shouldn't care about. Because if you can see, my nails are barely ever done. They only get done with strengthener polish. And you get into this. These are all my lippies and whatnot. Liquid lipsticks, liners, glosses. What is this? Yeah, butter gloss from NYX. Then these are all my eye brushes. My face brushes are being washed and dried right now, so they have been washed and they're being dried right now. Then this one is just miscellaneous things you might need for a video. You got tweezers, liners, mascara. Yeah, whole 9 yards. This bad boy goes there. Then into this, which I got from, I believe, Family Dollar for $10. You got, ta-da, the most boring drawer ever. This drawer is just really a whole bunch of random things here. Literally random things. This is my random things drawer. These are not my lashes. These are my mom's for when she comes over to get her makeup done. For the free, of course. Because you know she gave birth to me, why not? This drawer is full of all my face stuff, really. You've got mineral powders, you've got contour palettes, foundations, concealers. What is this? Yeah, finishing powders, highlighters. This is from Hard Candy, which is really cute, by the way. Most of my stuff is LA Colors, Wet and Wild, or Maybelline. This actually doesn't have, oh, there it is. Got a few other things from Milani here. That's Maybelline again. Got e.l.f. primer, which I actually love this primer, but I don't think I'm going to be using primer anymore since my skin is very oily and acne prone, which I don't think this does you any good when you have skin like that. Heard that from It's My Ray Ray, by the way, so, and the first time I followed one of her makeup tutorials, it actually worked pretty well, so I think I'm done with primer. But yeah, other than that, this drawer is just face stuff, which is brand new, by the way. Could be going into a giveaway soon once I hit a certain number of subscribers. So you guys tell your friends. I'm giving away lunch and a lot of stuff. I have people contacting me about stuff they want to give away also. So make sure you guys just keep watching and tell your friends to subscribe, please. All my palettes, all palettes. Eyeshadow palettes back here, and this is my Dublin face palette from NYX, which you guys have seen before. This bad boy is my first ever eyeshadow palette, and I don't even know where I got it from. I don't know if it was a present or anything like that, which I think it might have been a present from my Aunt Dee. I think so. That was a present too from Tara, but thank you guys. This, yeah, you guys can kind of tell what my favorite colors were. This is just a shimmer palette, very tiny, if you guys can see the size of my nail. But I do still love some of these colors. I still incorporate some of these colors into my looks. Then, got the most expensive palette back here, this Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam, which is filthy and used and abused. And you got all my LA Colors palettes back here, which, if you don't know now, you know that I love this one. You got this. I lost the top to this, but it's still usable. I really like these greens in this palette here. Yeah, that's pretty much it for this drawer. For that whole thing. Let me get over here. It's just more beauty products, you know, powders, lotions, perfumes. You've got my turbo styler from Conair. And this little thing is just a Sephora bag when I bought this. Empty makeup bags. I'll probably use this as a gift bag, who knows. You know how people do that shit. This is the backdrop to my videos, which I'm sure you guys have seen before. And turn around here. This is where I film. This is the little mirror, the dirty mirror that I looked into. This is what it looks like from this view. Those are not open yet. They will be once I film the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a great day. Make sure you subscribe and tell your friends. Tell me if you like this video or not. If you use any of the same makeups that I use, anything like that. How'd you like it? And yeah, tell all your friends. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.